Hey everybody, I'm going to show you an easy, inexpensive flower arrangement for those of you who, like me, don't really know how to arrange flowers, but you want fresh ones that look beautiful. The first tip is just to be unstructured. If you try to get too fixed and formal, that's when you have to have a lot of skill. I'm going to show you how I just get several flowers, stick them in a vase, and I think they look great. And I'm also going to start with a tip on making them last longer. I have put ice water into the vase. Ice water and cold air make flowers last longer, so that's a tip. I've already put the flower food in the vase, so now we're going to start. Okay, I thought that these calla lilies would look beautiful. I love the tall, stately look of them, and of course you have to have a tall vase for those. And then I just bought two different blooms. I don't like tons of color, so I just mainly got white, green, and a little hint of blue, but I'm just sticking these, and I don't even know what these are, but I just thought that they looked good and fresh and airy and simple. Okay, so I've got that, and then I'm just gonna put the blue ones in. And Trader Joe's is absolutely wonderful. Their flowers are great, and literally you can just stick things together like this, just if you have a pretty vase, and I think that they look great. Now I got some eucalyptus for filler. I don't think that I'm going to need that much, so I'm just going to put a little bit on the side, and then just a little here, mainly to give some height and just make it look like one of those very unstructured. Okay, then I'm just going to make my calla lilies a little more prominent, and y'all, it's this simple. This was $19 before tax, and it couldn't be easier. So if you want to make an arrangement of fresh flowers, just stick with things like this that are easy to just throw into a vase and look natural and airy. And I have one more tip for you. If you have the space, put your flowers in the refrigerator. My friend Demarish gave me that tip, and I made space in my refrigerator, and I've started putting all of my flowers in the fridge, and they last a week longer at least. So cold water, refrigerator, and your fresh flowers will last for a very long time. Thank you for watching, and you have a fabulous day.